Alright guys, we are on a nature walk and we're about to be leaving. So yeah. Look at this. Look at this. Look at it. Look at the mountain. And we are in Tennessee right now. We're gonna show you around the cabin a little bit. In the vlog. Okay, so the next time you see me, there's this place where we'll be at the cabin. We only have to drive a little way. So here we go. It's funny that our code name is 1979, because that's when you two were born. Alright, are we going to go back after we look at these? Are we going to go back now? Oh, are we going back now? Can we please go back?
Okay, this is enough for him.
Yeah, I want to go back. I am tired. I have been walking for so long. I want to go back. Where are we going back?
What? This just seems to be a two-track, huh?
Can we go back now? Can we go back?
Let's go. Yeah. We'll go back. Hold on, stop, don't move.
I want to get out.
Okay.
No.
Go ahead.
There's lots of them.
And I speak speed. And I know what they're saying. And
They dance. They dance.
yeah, and they said they wanted to get
They want to sting me, man. They want to sting me.
Whoa,
No, I got hit.
I know. I saw the whole thing. Did you get it twice? Okay.
Oh my gosh.
And Liam.
That freaked me out.
Liam doing his thing, man. Hey, Liam, don't hurt your brother. He's bigger than you. He's got a legitimate fear.
Yes? Oh, that's cute.
It's okay. I'm trying to comfort you. Be a fear, though.
We're gonna go back.
that's big! Really? There's actually big.
You don't smell like a flower, I promise.
Trust us.
You don't look like a flower either.
Can I get the next one?
It needs to look like a flower too.